Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you're watching ENK Learning Hub. Let's start solving today's questions. Each admission cost $50 for patients without insurance and $10 for patients with insurance. All patient IDs with an even patient ID have insurance. Give each patient a S if they have insurance and a no if they do not have insurance. Add up the admission total cost for each has insurance group. So what they're expecting is, so there are two different categories in the patients. That is who have insurance and then who do not have insurance, right? So we need to sum up all the costs. We need to sum up all the costs for insurance guys and then sum up all the costs for non-insurance guys. So we need to display this. So there are two columns, that is yes or no columns, that is if they have insurance or not, and then respective costs. Okay, irrespective costs. So let's start solving it. Select and then from which table we are extracting admissions, right? So what we are expect what we need. So here we need two columns. Two columns. One is yes or no column. That is if they have insurance or not, right? So let us see. So we already did many times that uh, whenever we have some condition and then we need to create a new column based on that conditions, the two based on existing rows, existing columns, right? So we can use case study, case, right? Case when see they have given a condition that patients with even patient ID have insurance, right? So patient ID percentage 2 is equals to 0, that is even, right? That is even. Then s sorry then s no. So see here, and let us end the case statement and as insurance. See, by now we created a new column, that is yes or no column, right? That is if they have insurance or not. Now see what they we are grouping people based on yes or no, right? Yes or no. If they have insurance, they comes into one category. If they do not have insurance, they come into another category, right? So here we must use group by, right? So grouping based on insurance, based on insurance. Now we need to sum up. Now in these two groups, we need to sum up all the values. If the patient do not have any insurance, then their cost will be $50. If they have insurance, then their cost will be $10, right? So here what we are doing, we are adding up based on a condition. We are adding up based on a condition. So how we can do that? Sum of now based on a condition, right? Case when patient ID percentage 2 is equals to 0, then $10 and is $50. So if the patient is having insurance, then they are charging $10, else $50. So end as total cost. So this is it. Let's check the query. Syntax error. Okay, sum of case and patient. Okay, fine. Here the comma. That means the comma. Yes, we got correct answer. Okay, now this question can also be solved using CTE. Using CTE. Let's check this again. Okay. So how we can solve this using CTE? So before that, see here, if we use patient ID percent 2 is equals to 0, then we can solve directly. If we want to use this column, insurance column, then we must use CTE. Okay, simple. Okay, then we must use see here. If I use insurance, 1 second. Let me go to the question. Okay. So see here we have done lots of questions, right? So if I want, instead of patient ID percentage 2 is equals to 0. So if instead of insurance, because based on insurance only, if they have insurance is equals to S, then $10, otherwise $50, right? So can we do this? No, we cannot. See, it will give an error. No such column, insurance, right? So to do such type of things, what we can do? Okay, so let's see. So let's erase this complete row and then this group by also. Okay, let's make it as a CTE with insurance as with CTEs. You can write any name. Okay. You can keep any name for CTE. Now select some when some case. See, it is similar, but the usage of column. Okay. The usage of column. Okay. Some when insurance is equals to S, then $10 as 50 as total cost. As total cost from insurance. From insurance we are extracting, right? So simple. So let's check it. Syntax error, right? So yeah, we forgot an here. So no such table insurance. IN is okay, fine. Some spelling mistake. Yeah, and then here I didn't select it, right? So selection. Yeah. Again, sorry, guys. Group by. We forgot group by two. Group by based on insurance, right? Sorry. Yeah, we got correct answer. So here we didn't group it, right? So that's the reason. Okay. So let's move on to next question. So the provenance that has more patients identified as male than female. So see, simple. This is very direct question. So what they are asking, if the provenance is having more number of male patients, then we need to display them. So how we can solve this? So select from. See here, they have given two tables. So we need to join them. So provenance as PN left join. So you might have any idea why I am using left join, right? So on PN dot provenance name is equals to P dot provenance name. So on this condition, I am adding them. I am joining them. So show the provenance name. So we need only provenance name. Okay. So now what I can do here, I must use group by because I am grouping. I am grouping based on provenance, right? Based on there are n number of patients here available in this information. So what I am doing, I'm just grouping them. I'm grouping them together. So based on provenance name, right? Based on provenance name, I am grouping them. Now I am giving a condition. I am having a condition. See what is the condition? So males should be more than females. So see count. In the previous question which we have solved, exactly I am solving this way. See, I am counting with a condition. That is case when gender is equals to male, then one and is greater than count is when gender is equals to female, then zero let for understanding sake and end. Yeah, this is it. So let us check this. So no such column provenance name. So P dot provenance name. Okay, let's check this. Provenance ID. Sorry, there is no column. So we will join based on ID. Okay. So we will join based on ID. Again, PN here. Yeah, we got correct answer. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.